Hello friends, welcome back to Tech Engineers YouTube channel. So friends, in this video I will be telling you guys how can you download Python for Android or Apple device. So first of all, you need to open your Play Store or iStore and then search for Python. Now there are many apps coming. You need to open Pyroid 3 IDE for Python 3, the first one. So approximately 10 lakh people have downloaded it and the rating is 4.4. So you need to install it. So friends, as you can see that our Python app is now downloaded. So you can open it directly from here, or you can go back to your home screen and then open it. Now it will take just few seconds to install Python program. Now once it's done, you can do any programming using this app. So in my next video I will be telling you guys how can you make your own calculator from this app. So stay tuned, and if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe it, and if you like this video, hit the like button. Till then, be safe, be healthy, and don't stop to innovate.